Hey guys, Dr. Blackman here, going over what I call the digestive ducts model. And like with all these models, please follow along with your lab student handout so you will know which structures you are responsible for. Okay, this very large organ in your right upper quadrant of your belly, that's the liver. Okay, lots of functions, one of which is to remove toxins from our bloodstream. Okay, lots of other functions. So liver, okay, it makes bile, by the way, which is a digestive aid that helps us break down fats. That bile that's made is stored in the gallbladder, this green structure here. So liver makes bile, gallbladder stores the bile. Okay, let's look at some of the other organs before we do the ducts. Okay, here's the stomach. Okay, it's sort of cut in a cross section. So you're seeing the inside of the stomach there. This structure here, that's not part of the digestive system at all, it's part of the lymphatic system. That's the spleen. Okay, this is the pancreas. Okay, as you probably know, that has a role with the endocrine system because it makes insulin and other hormones that are part of the endocrine system again. Right? Insulin lowers blood glucose levels. But we're interested in the digestive portion of the pancreas. Okay, we consider that the exocrine portion of the pancreas as opposed to endocrine. Okay, so this is the pancreas here. Okay, there's the head of the pancreas, by the way. There's the tail. I know that it doesn't have that on the lab student handout. Okay, this structure here, which as you can see, all these ducts are emptying into that. That's the first part of the small intestine. Okay, that's the duodenum or duodenum. Both pronunciations are correct. Okay, so those are the organs. Let's do the ducts now. Okay, a duct is just like a tube through which something travels, whether it's sweat or breast milk or earwax or lots of other things. Okay, so the duct here through which bile exits the gallbladder, that's called the cystic duct. Okay, cystic duct. Okay, when you hear hepato or hepatic, think of the liver, right? You probably know that inflammation of the liver is called hepatitis. You've probably heard that before. Okay, so because of that, okay, the right hepatic duct is here. The left hepatic duct, where they come together, they make the common hepatic duct. Okay, some people just sort of call all of these structures, just sort of collectively, they're known as the hepatic ducts. Okay, some folks want you to be a little more specific with that. Okay, so you can certainly say right hepatic duct in green. Okay? Left hepatic duct, and then where they come together, right, common hepatic duct. Okay? Where the cystic duct and the common hepatic duct come together, that forms this structure here called the common bile duct. Why is it common? Because it's a passageway for both this cystic duct and this, right, the hepatic ducts. Okay, so it's accepting contents from both the gallbladder and the liver, so common bile duct. Okay, if this is the pancreas, then hopefully it makes sense this is the pancreatic duct. Okay, the pancreas makes digestive enzymes that travel into the duodenum, so those enzymes get to the duodenum by traveling through this pancreatic duct here in white. Okay, excuse me. Where green and white comes together to form a common passageway for the common bile duct and the pancreatic duct. Okay, that common passageway right there is called the hepatopancreatic duct. Okay, some people will call that a hepatopancreatic ampulla. Okay, both are correct, whether you say duct or ampulla. An ampulla is simply an enlarged duct. Okay, why is it called hepatopancreatic? Because it involves liver, right? Hepato and pancreatic. Okay, so hepatopancreatic duct or ampulla would be here, right? Again, all of those structures empty their contents into the duodenum.